conditioning system consists of dampers, air filter, cooling coil, spray type humidifier, heating coil and a fan. Atmospheric air flows through the dampers. Air then passes through the air filter. The filter removes dirt, dust and other impurities. The air now passes over a cooling coil. When air is cooled below its dew point temperature, the water vapor is removed from the air in the form of water droplets. The surface temperature of the cooling coil has to be maintained below the dew point temperature of the atmospheric air to accomplish dehumidification. The refrigerant vapor leaving the compressor is at high pressure and temperature. It then passes through the condenser. Outside air is drawn in by the fan and it cools the refrigerant in the condenser. The refrigerant then becomes liquid. The high pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant enters the expansion valve. The pressure and temperature of the refrigerant drops when it leaves the valve. The cold refrigerant from the valve passes through the evaporator. The evaporator side of the air conditioner faces the room to be cooled. The warm air from the room is drawn in by blower. The evaporator cools this air and the liquid inside the evaporator tube gets vaporized by absorbing the heat from the warm air. The cool air is again sent to the room through the opening at the top of the air conditioning unit. The liquid and vapor refrigerant from the evaporator passes to the compressor and is compressed to high pressure, high temperature liquid. The operation hereafter is carried out in cycle as the same manner as explained.